chief guests, principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. A very happy Republic Day to all of you. I, AVINAsh BORDE, would like to speak a few words about today. Today is a 26 January 75 Republic Day of our country. This is a day to remember the sacrifice of freedom fighters whose effect gave us independence and created our Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1915. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace and unity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.